As a parent, there are about 1,000,001 demands on your time, not the least of which is laundry. So what happens when your little one's favorite little one needs a bath? Or you're on the go and a spill happens. Today I'm going to show you how to use Eucalan Delicate Wash to deal with common baby messes at home and on the go. If your little one has a favorite stuffed toy, odds are it has seen its share of dirt. Favorite stuffed toys require some extra care when it comes to washing. To safely clean a stuffed toy, begin by filling a basin with tepid or lukewarm water. Add a small amount of Eucalan Delicate Wash to your basin and swish it around. Next, submerge your stuffed friend in the bath and let soak for 10 to 15 minutes to soften dirt and other buildup. Since these little guys can get quite filthy, the next step is to gently brush in a circular motion all over the surface of your toy to break down the dirt. Submerge your toy in water a final time after brushing. If you're dealing with a particularly stubborn mess, you can use additional Eucalan Delicate Wash, kind of like toothpaste, by applying it to your brush and working directly on dirtier areas. At this point, you have the option to put your stuffed animal in the washing machine to run through a spin cycle. Alternatively, you may roll your animal in a dry towel to gently squeeze out excess water. Finally, lay your toy on a well-ventilated surface to dry, remembering to monitor and turn it regularly to ensure it dries completely. Eucalan Wipes are a baby and toddler parent's lifesaver. When baby gets moving, finding a way to quickly and safely keep sticky hands clean and toys safe to play with is important. Pacifiers are notorious for getting dirty on the go. With Eucalan Wipes in your diaper bag or wallet, you simply give the dirty item a once-over with a wipe to remove surface dirt. Wipes also work well for spot cleaning blouses, onesies, and more on the go. A really common landing spot for a wide range of baby spills is a baby carrier. Using a fresh Eucalan wipe lets you take care of small messes while you're out and about, leaving you and your little one free to go on with your day. Eucalan Delicate Wash and Eucalan Wipes are a lifesaver for cleaning blankies, bibs, wraps, nursing pads, and toys. If you want to stay up to date on all things Eucalan, don't forget to sign up for the Eucalan Delicate Wash newsletter at eucalan.com.